Welcome to our step-by-step guide to form fill-up for M.Sc Economics at Xavier's College, Kolkata. In this video, we will walk you through the application process, and to make it smoother, we have provided all the prerequisites and the application link in the description box below. Take a moment to review the prerequisites and ensure that you have everything ready. Then let's dive into the form filling process together. Let's get started and simplify your application process. Pause the video if needed and let's begin. So once you click on the application link below, this is what you will be taken to. And this is the application form. Okay. All the prerequisites have been mentioned. Please make sure that they are ready. Once that is done, let's start with the process. Fill in your name, middle name if any, and then your last name. Choose your gender, your date of birth, choose your religion, choose your community, which is the category basically. Choose whether you're differently abled or not. Choose your blood group. Enter your address. Choose your country, your state, your city, given your PIN code, your mobile number, your email address, your father's name. You can fill in their occupation and mobile number as well. I don't want to. Your mother's name. Same for mother. You can fill in the occupation and mobile. Guardian, if any. Then your monthly income. Then choose your nationality and employment details if applicable. Then you will have to enter your class 10 details. So enter the school name, your board, the year of passing, the marks that you've obtained, and it will automatically calculate the percentage for you. Then your class 12 details, school, board, year of passing, the marks obtained. Then you have to fill in your graduation details. So only BSc Economic Honors or BA Economic Honors can apply for the same. No other degree, unfortunately, is acceptable at Xavier's currently. Then you have to choose your college, your university, your registration number, and you have to choose whether the results have been declared or not. For me, it's declared. Month when it was declared, the year it was declared, the marks that I've obtained, and then you have to choose your achievements. It can be co-curricular, any games or cultural or academics. You might have to submit your details later on. Then, are you enjoying any scholarship or stipend? For me, it's no. Are you a foreign national? For me, it's no. Are you an NRI? No. Then you have to upload your photo. Make sure it is within 100K. Chosen my photo, then upload your signature, then upload your mark sheet, which should be in a PDF form. Then if baptism certificate, this is just for Christians. If you have any, please upload your category certificate. You need to upload, and then your university registration certificate has to be uploaded as well. Choose the details. Okay. Then please scan through the entire form, the details that you have entered. Then click on I agree and submit. Okay, so you need to put in your guardian name. Unfortunately, I cannot skip that. So I'm going to enter it. And now you have been given your application code. Please make sure to take a picture of the same. and then you can click on pay application fee, and then you will be taken to the payment gateway, and that is it. You're done with the entire process. It was quite simple, not tedious, not time taking either, just 5 to 7 minutes of yours. So I hope I was able to help you through the entire process. And if you have any issues, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. And we are going to help you with the prep plan and more regarding the same. So keep following us, and we'll see you in the classes soon. Bye.